All your bread, we share plates too. Anyways, back to the subject. Gotta go!
Hey, do friends, do friends. Hey. Okay. So what do we have? Tell the fans what we're cooking today.
So we be cooking up some fish sticks. This is 120, but you never cook the whole thing because that's a whole meal for a whole week. Anyways, there's my mom right there.
Oh man.
Anyways, she's the queen. Right over here we got last week. Anyways, always stay hydrated. That's why we got water over here.
Show them what kind of chips we eat. Show them what kind of chips we eat.
What type of chips? Doritos be costing too much, so we get some nacho cheese, great value.
Let me try one. Let the fans try some.
Yeah, this one, yeah. They're like 2 days old, so they're like hella crunchy.
Scrumptious.
Don't even get me started with the ladies. I mean,
with the ladies?
Great value, original, lightly salted.
How salted?
Lightly salted. We all eat, nigga. We all eat. I eat, we all eat, nigga.
Tastes like a...
We already know what the fuck you got for dessert.
What's dessert? That ass? I mean... oh, chocolate.
Chocolate cherries, motherfucker. Put it in the freezer because you already know chocolate will be better when it's cold instead of hot. That's bomb diggity right there. Not Wednesdays.
Anyways, defend the castle. What's up with that shirt?
Oh, Cup Kings represent. Woo.
Hoorah!
All day.
So what do you think about the football program there?
I mean, we won 4 games. What else can I say? What else is there?
4 out of how many?
4. Anyways, look at the man behind the camera. Tell him what the fuck is up today.
I don't know. I just did some math.
Alright, tell me what we got in the cabinets, boy.
Follow me. Yeah, we're all out of food here.
Tell him what's up with that shirt.
Oh, what's up with this shirt? I'm kind of camera shy. I don't know. Can I have my camera back?
Anyways, boys, we already know we back here cooking the food up in the grease Fahrenheit. Gotta keep the light on so you can see what the fuck is cooking up.
What's cooking up?
What the fuck you think it is? I'll unroll this bitch. But stay tuned. Well and real.
Alright, toss that bitch back.
After the break. And we're back.
Oh, we're back.
Oh, do it again. Oh. And we're back.
Oh.
What time is it? Minute hand, hour hand.
It's morphin' time.
Yeah, we can look in there.
I know, is that?
51.
Yeah, government classified.
Classified. What
Show them what kind of chilies you got.
We ain't got a lot. We already know you got it. I stay strapped with that boy.
Oh.
El Jefe.
That's just hot.
So Valentina for the bitches.
You know bitches be getting word over that.
And all-time favorite.
We have that shit at my house.
Picante. Always. The one with lemon, that one's bomb. But some food doesn't.
Just like you got. I can't even explain it. Just go. Dominic Servo with that shit, nigga.
And then we got some salt, boy.
Ooh, I heard it's bad luck if you spill it.
Cocaine. You already know what the fuck.
What else you got in there?
You already know I keep my weed in this thing.
Oh shit, OG's, Reggie's. You already know. Show him your flex. Show him your guns. He would flex more, but he liked that shirt, I think.
Hey, you guys have a belt?
Oh, that's the boss.
Yeah, I got it. Yeah, I got it.
Look at him. He's out of character. That's the boss. He's done with.